Okay, here we have the Eachine EAT04, cheap little RC car, buggy. Anyways, the electronic speed control went out on this. I guess that's kind of a common problem, and I didn't really feel like going with a new speed control, wasting money on that. I figured I'll just go ahead and go brushless with this. So took the speed control out. Servo comes out. It's a 5-wire servo, so it's not like I'm going to be able to use that with a new ESC. I'm going to go with the brushless motor. The motor comes out. So that's basically what the chassis looks like with the components removed. Something I noticed on this is other people having a lot of trouble getting their pinion gear off. The set screw came out super easy. The pinion gear just slid right off, so it wasn't a problem at all. Heatsink, I don't know if I'll be able to reuse that on the new motor, but anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the receiver in this position, a new servo in here. It might be a little bit larger of a servo. I really don't care if I have to carve away the body a little bit to get it to fit. The new motor will fit just fine. And then I've got a bracket that I'm making to go across the top, and that's where my ESC will set up on top. So I ended up having to, of course, take the little man out because he's going to be in the way. He'll be sitting in the way. And the body will go back on, and I'll be flying. Alright, so originally the EAT04 does have the 5-wire servo, so I have to upgrade the servo to a 3-wire. That means I've got to upgrade the receiver. And here's the motor I got. Got a tuner for the motor. The motor looks pretty small, which is good, because I don't want it to be too big and not be able to fit it in the car. I should compare it to the motor that was there. Yeah, it's going to fit just fine. Little tiny speed control. Heck, I can almost fit it up there, but it'll definitely fit down in here, so that'll be good. And then, yeah, that's how it's going to lay out. Alright, let's get it all put in there, see what happens. Okay. Alright, here's the Eachine EAT04. It's been outfitted with a new ESC, a new motor, 5900 kV, 35 amp ESC. And I mounted the receiver up here in the back with the antenna coming out like that. So kind of everything fit pretty good. I just got to get my servo, a 3-wire servo. That cable will have to come up to the receiver and it'll go like that. So everything fit in there just fine, which I was pretty surprised. And here's what it would look like with the body on, basically. Kind of a tight fit, but we'll get it.